Hello everybody and welcome back for a second week on addition and subtraction. Now, this week is going to be a little bit trickier, and I know this because we've looked at this before and I know that some of you do find this tricky. However, we need to have that real perseverance penguin attitude, and already I've noticed a real difference with the children in class and your bonds to 10, and then looking at that relationship with bigger numbers and those bonds to 20, those bonds to 30, and you're already really improving. So I have every confidence that you are going to fly through this week if we can have a really kind of perseverance penguin attitude. Okay, so let's share my screen with you. And we're going to be looking at pages 38 to 39 in our addition and subtraction booklet. Let me find that now for you. Okay, so looking at these two pages today. And the first thing that we're going to do, as always, is you're going to pick a number, look at the rhyme that goes alongside that number, and have a go at that now. Okay, off you go. Well done, everybody. Okay, so we're going to recap with this game again. We're going to try and do that all this week just because you're getting really quick with it now, and it will help you, and you'll understand that after today's lesson. Okay, so bonds to 10 first. If I say 4, you say 6. If I say 3, you say 7. If I say 2, you say 8. If I say 1, you say 9. You can see that pattern. If I said 5, you said 5. If I said 6, you say 4. If I say 7, you say 3. If I say 8, you'll say 2. And if I say 9, you'll say 1. Well done, everybody, getting really quick now. Okay, so then thinking about, I've put bonds to 50 today. I've just realised that I did change it slightly. So we've looked at bonds to 20. And we've talked about that relationship. So if I said 25 to 30, you would say 5, the same as 5 and 5 make 10. So if I say 45, you're going to say 5 to make 50. If I say 43, you're going to say excellent, 7 to make 50. If I say 42, you're going to say well done, 8 to 50. So pause the video now and have a practice of that at home with your grown-ups, or if you're in class with your teacher. Well done. Okay, so moving on to our part of the lesson today, which we're going to be doing some worksheet practice on after the lesson. What do you notice? So pause the video now and have a little conversation. Okay, excellent. We've got two different colours here. We've got our red counters and we've got our yellow counters, and we have 6 red and we have 7 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I did that really quickly of knowing it's 7 because I know that 4 and 3 make 7. I did it really quickly with the 6 because I could see automatically that I have a group of 5 here and I have one more. So just thinking about the quickest ways to get to those numbers. So I can see here that 6 and 7 make 13. I wonder who knew, or who knows how I did that so quickly, how I knew it was 13. Excellent, because I can see this group of 10 here, and I can see this group of 3 here. Now, this 10 frame that I've got, or 10 frames, I've got 2 10 frames, 1 10 frame, 2 10 frames. You can use these on MathsBot. And if you change the number of columns to 10 columns, then you can actually make 2 10 frames. It's a bit of annoying that they're close together because we do like to have them apart sometimes to make that clear difference. But you guys should be so familiar now with the 10 frame that you can see here that I've got 2 10 frames. So I've got a group of 10 and I've got a group of 3. So the 10 frame shows that 6 add 7 is the same as 10 add 3. And I knew straight away that it was 13. Okay, pause the video and have a go at doing this one. Well done. So you have got 7 and you are adding on. Anybody see this 3 and this 4? 7. So what's the answer? 7 and 7. What can I see? I can see, excellent, a group of 10 and 4. So the 10 frame shows that 7 add 7 is the same as 10 add 4. So the whole number is 14. And you can always put that into part whole models as well, or a bar model. What do you notice? So pause the video for this one and have a go at doing this one. Excellent. I've got 8 reds and 5 yellow, and the whole number is 13. 8 add 5 is the same as 10 add 3. This one, pause the video and have a go at this one. Excellent. So you've got 9 and you have got 6. And again, I quickly worked out that there were 6 yellow because I could see my group of 5 here, and I've got 1 more. And that's the same as 10 add 5, 15. So although you've got 2 different numbers to add up in your counters, you can think, how can I quickly work this out as a whole number? So we'll come back and I'll talk through the challenge in a minute. I'll stop my sharing because this is what you're going to be doing. Let's take that Post-it note off today. So you've got a little example at the top here, and then it says draw counters to show that 5 add 6 is the same as 10 add 1. And then you've also got some ones to complete here, but it says use 10 frames to help you. So you might want to go onto the MathSpot website and use a 10 frame to help you. The other thing that you guys can be doing is drawing bar models to help you, or part whole models. Now, what Miss Dyer's done is I've actually used a little line here to see the link between the 6 and the 10, the link between the 7 and the 10, the link between the 9 and the 10, the link between the 8 and the 10. So what's the link that you can quickly work out? And at the bottom here, you've got a question. Ignore this one because this is actually an example for the next pages that we're going to do on Tuesday's lesson. So just focus on this one. That's enough to be getting on with and having a go at drawing it. Please do use the MathSpot website. This is really going to help you. Okay, so back onto my challenge. If you're feeling really confident with that, then I now want you to think about each square representing one group of 10. What would the calculation be? So instead of being a 10 frame, my lovely 10 frame is now transformed into a 100 frame. So I've actually got 60. I don't have 6, I have 60 and I have 40. 60 add, oh, I've got 40 here, but I've got another 3 here, 30. So in total, I've got 70. So 60 add 70 is the same as 100 add 30. So what I want you to do is work in groups of 10 instead of those ones. So see if you can have a go at that for your challenge if you're finding this work quite straightforward. Please do take your time with this. Can't wait to see your pictures on Class Dojo. Remember to be Perseverance Penguins, and I'll see you back tomorrow for more maths. Bye.